How you doing, everybody? We're going to do another installment of a video for YouTube. Now, this is Miss Holly Berry right here. Show what you're shooting today. You were shooting a Generation 19, right? Oh, Generation 3, excuse me. Glock 19.
17.
Oh, Glock 17. I don't know my guns. What do you know, right? Check out this guy here. This thing sure is pretty. She pretty too. Look at it right there. Okay, my boy Johnny Whiplash. I'm not sure the face because he's scared. This is Miss Leanne right here. Miss Leanne, I don't have a name for her. And she's shooting a Taurus 22. She's real gangster with that thing here. Now this one here, of course, is the very pretty Taurus 9mm G2. I'll put that back in my holster for right now. Now, my boy here is gonna be doing the filming here. All right, y'all. Miss Holly Berry. Both hands, if you will.
Keep going.
What?
Oh, there's more?
Yeah, keep going. Now that's gangster right there, people. You see that there? That's gangster right there. All right. Miss Leanne.
Is it all safety?
One way to find out.
It's all.
Push it down, safety. Oh, there you go.
Ow! God damn it! Are you okay? Oh my God.
One of them bounced out and burnt her.
Oh. Okay.
Hey there.
Let it go.
That all?
I think so.
Oh, this is gonna make a great video for YouTube, y'all.
Oh.
All right, my boy here. You gonna pop one off your thumbs? Uh-oh. Is that empty clip?
Yeah, it's empty.
Then I'm gonna let you guys here. He gonna find my gun. This is of course, is Taurus Millennium Pro G2 edition. I'm gonna be the cameraman here, and all this damn dust everywhere. Y'all done got this dust flying up this place again? Oh shit, I ain't gonna hold my ears with me. Where's he at? There he is.
Ow, I got hit twice.
You seen the cases flying at the camera, dude. It's like beautiful shot. All right, y'all. This is a 3-minute video. We're out.